Let's try it. Hands to those who think we're in the skills sector. Hands to those who think we're in the service industry. Hands to those who want a third option, want to phone a friend, use a lifeline, not too sure. Where your focus goes, energy flows. So if you're focused on your biggest competitor who's innovating all the time, guess what you're going to do? Start focusing on them and lose track of the head-to-head, belly-to-belly, face-to-face, soul-to-soul meeting with the next prospect that's going to do business with you. But here's what I hear. If I hear these words here, what the company needs to start doing, what the company should be doing, what the boss needs to do, it's not the company, it's our company.
I first booked Rik Rushton to speak at our annual convention back in 2003, and I have been booking him ever since.
Every time we have Rik on, and that's been lots of times at any of our events, we have a full house. Everyone turns out because they love Rik, they love the way he delivers his message.
I've worked with Rik Rushton for over 15 years. He's easy to work with, always delivers, and is one of the best MCs and keynote speakers I know.
As leaders, we've got to work harder on ourselves than we do at the job of leadership. How are we? Are we good?
This is by far one of the better brands, and your energy level has to match that brand, because the offering today is up here. If you're tuning in down there, you'll get something, and that's okay. But that would be a very, very poor investment of your day, I would have thought. Would you agree, yes or yes?
So all those committed to getting a little bit better, raise your right hand and say aye. Aye. Those against? So can I ask you to please give a very, very, very big warm welcome to Mr. Nathan Buckley. I asked them 3 questions. What's attracted you to this position? Well, I love people and I love houses. Well, you'll end up hating both in about 6 months' time. I don't drink, I don't smoke. I do hard drugs though, so this might be the right place to be. It looks like a VW Beetle met a Ford Laser over a social drink, and then that's what was created 9 months later.
You know what they say, you can't teach an old dog new tricks? That's all lies. You know what, I get something time and time again out of Rik.
I think one of the big things about Rik, he gives great takeaways, and he does make sure that every single attendee gets some great value.
I'm taking heaps from it, so here's the gun. It's not about us, it's about them. And if our focus is on them and their outcomes, we'll get the sort of results that we're all striving and looking for.
You guys are all good at what you do, correct? Good's no longer good enough. The consumer gets good everywhere. Everywhere is good. Great, that's harder to find. And guess what? If they find a great experience, guess what they do? They go back. Isn't that a novel concept? They go back. And they refer friends. You've got to go do this.